In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a refund in Freshbooks. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where a refund is necessary, you know it can sometimes be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll go through the process step by step to make it as simple and straightforward as possible. This technique is particularly useful for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who uses Freshbooks to manage their invoices and payments. To begin, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Freshbooks dashboard. This is the central hub for all your financial activities. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Invoices section. This area contains all your invoicing data, where you can manage and organize everything related to your billing. Within this section, you'll see a few different tabs, but the one we're interested in today is the Paid tab. This selection will show you a list of invoices that have been marked as paid. These are the invoices for which a refund might be necessary. Now, to refine your search, it's helpful to have either the invoice number or the client's name on hand. This will make the process of finding the specific invoice much easier and quicker. Once you've located the correct invoice, go ahead and click on the link provided below the invoice information. This action will take you directly to all the details related to that particular invoice, allowing you to proceed with the refund process. At this point, you might find what you need to do next a bit surprising. You'll have to delete the paid amount from the invoice. While this might seem counterintuitive, it's actually a crucial step for issuing a refund correctly within Freshbooks. So, simply clear out the numbers that indicate the amount paid. After you've removed the paid amount, it's important not to skip over the next step. You need to leave a note in the Payment Notes section explaining the reason for the refund. Whether the project was canceled or the client was unsatisfied with the service, providing clarity will not only help you keep your records straight, but will also inform your client about why the refund occurred. Once you've added your payment note, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which should be visible near where you've made the edits. Clicking this will apply all your changes, effectively processing the refund on Freshbooks. By following these detailed steps, you've now learned how to handle a refund on Freshbooks. Remember, the key steps are to navigate to your paid invoices, select the relevant invoice, delete the paid amount, add a payment note detailing the reason for the refund, and, of course, save your changes. Doing a refund is a sensitive process, and it's important to handle it with care for both financial accuracy and maintaining trust with your clients. Once you know the steps, Freshbooks makes this process intuitive, ensuring that you can manage your finances efficiently and transparently. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident in managing refunds on Freshbooks. Keep in mind that every feature within Freshbooks is designed to make accounting easier, allowing you to focus more on your business and less on the paperwork. Thank you for walking through this process with me, and I look forward to bringing you more helpful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.